gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang. Spread the
Alright, what's up guys? So, I'm going to try to do this as quickly as possible, sort of. So, the current issues I'm having with my Mini are due to this connector here. Some people may or may not have this issue, I've seen it before, but what happened with mine is that these two spots, this you could focus, which is this one and this one, broke off, which I pulled them out already, as you can see, but it's 2 pins. So, and this is what the connector looks like. So yeah, it's bad. So my intention, sorry this fucking tripod sucks, is to try to fix this issue using some of this crap. And I bought some BMW Mini specific wires, which are these. I bought 3 just for the hell of it, just to have an extra one. They're like $2-3 each. This is a part number, in case it works, because I don't even know. And then these are so those are the male adapters, which this part here, and then you see they're hoping they fit, and these would be the female spades, which is that part right there. So hopefully they work, at least from my homework. That should be those should be the ones, but don't take my word for it. Apparently, I'm guessing somehow the water somehow reaches this area here and then ends up corroding this whole freaking spot there. And I don't know what I don't even remember half of this shit is, because this car has sat here for 5 months. This is where the spade goes, so I need to clean all this and then clean the other one, because I think there's 2 connectors in this crap, or at least I think. I could be wrong. Yeah, there should be 2. So I don't know where the other one's at. Or I think this just goes, I don't remember. I guess I'll figure this shit out. I believe this shit goes here. Yeah. And then this probably goes in this. Yeah, okay, so that's how it goes, yeah. Sorry, I don't remember. This car has sat for like 6 months because I had a motorcycle crash, which it's another topic, but barely starting getting back on my feet, so I'm trying to see if I can fix all this crap. So these are the pins I'm fixing, so I gotta make sure I pull each one of them out and then possibly clean all this with a brush, hopefully. Part of me wants to take out every single pin out of this sleeve here, one by one out, so I can clean them with that cleaner, but I don't know if that's a good thing or if that's gonna work. I guess for now, What I could do is test this to see if this pins that I bought will actually fit before I proceed with anything else. So these are the females. All I gotta do is stick it in there. Obviously these things are long enough so you can, fix them, but shit, it might not be. Oh no. Damn it, I think they ate. I mean, it looks the same size. I mean, just sticking it in wrong. That's what she said. Fuck, dude. Oh shit, it doesn't fit. So much for that. I think I bought the wrong ones. It's like slightly different size. But it looks of it, oh no. There you go. It does go through. Sort of. It's having trouble going in, but I don't know. That's because it doesn't fit there, or fuck. Well, that's gonna be a problem because I was hoping this thing would just go in, but if it's not going in, I don't think it's the size. Damn it. Which leaves to find out if even these fit. Which I was hoping it would fit, but I guess not. So this video is probably going to be trash anyways, because apparently I might have ordered the wrong pins. Let's see if this one goes in. If I can at least fix these, and that's cool. But oh shit, cool. Well, that one went through. So I think the only problem now is fixing the other one. Sorry for the freaking tow truck noise that you hear in the back, because I can control that. Somebody's getting the car towed, which sucks. But anyways, all right. Well, at least I know that the pins that break these with the male connector these are the parts, so I can fix that. Which is weird because I bought the female spades, these, based on that they were like the part that crossed with that, so kind of surprised it doesn't fit. So before I lose what goes where, I put this crap back. Which technically I can still reuse these, theoretically, because problem is getting that piece of pin that broke inside. But yeah, it seems like it's hard to go in, so I don't want to force it. But the pins are a little slightly different from what I can tell here, which sucks. So this is probably like a little bit wider than it's supposed to be, by like slightly a low amount, I think. But I don't want to force it, so I'm gonna try to see if I can pull that freaking pin that's broken inside somehow. Ah, crap. Alright, I'll get back to you guys once I figure what the hell I want to do with this crap, but yeah, I'll let you guys know. Alright, so for now, when I figure all that crap out, might as well go to town with the cleaner, I guess. I'm just doing this so if anybody else has issues. My issues were my cluster was dead. It was resetting every single time, so the main cluster here on the front of the driver was not turning on at all. The other one was resetting itself every time I put the key on, and my brake lights are staying on, so couldn't find what it was till I kind of messed with it. And I guess I found out that it was something else, so for now, I'm gonna try to clean these contacts. Grab a brush. Try to clean all this crap out. There's probably a better way to do this, so don't take my whole setup with a grain of salt, I guess. I cleaned it up pretty fast. So like I said, I may try to see if I can keep these. If there's a way I can... Damn, I wonder if I damaged that shit by sticking all the way in. Anyways. I'll try to clean the parts as much as I can. Man, that cleaner works well, to be honest. Sorry we can't see because of the lighting. I'm trying to put out my lighting, but whatever. Cleans pretty well. Honestly, the one that worries me the most is this motherfucker right here. That's very dirty with corrosion. So, yes, my battery's disconnected. Before you guys ask that, it's been disconnected for like 5 months. I've had it on the tender, so that's that. This is a very dumb problem to have, to be honest. I don't know. I mean, I know it's water that causes this, but I don't know what the actual freaking whole root of it is. So, I'm trying to be positive. Trying to clean all this crap off. I'm trying to clean it in a way where I don't break whatever freaking pins are left in there that may or may not be corroded, because you can't tell from here, but sorry, but they're pretty bad. Like, there's some that look like they're rusted, but like I said, it's a very stupid problem to have. Excuse my tripod, because I'm trying to put this on top of my seat and it's not working well. Wish I had something a little more, you know. And this is why I said I kind of want to pull these pins out one by one. At least the ones that I think that are worse, like 1, 2, 3, 4, that are different color for whatever reason. I don't know why. Maybe they've been fixed before too. Who the hell knows? Some people usually cut all the wires and just solder them together and bypass this whole thing. I didn't want to do that. For obvious reasons. I think it's better to fix it legit. Or as legit as you can. But yeah, I understand the whole concept behind it too. Like I said, it's a very dumbass problem to have. Fucking German engineering for you. And yes, yeah, electronic cleaner. Just remember, don't fucking spray anything else in this shit. I think it'd be nice to have a painter's brush right here that can reach all the way down, because this thing's not reaching all the way down. Like I said, I don't want to pull the pins out and then watch me screw it up and put them back where they don't belong, and yeah, it's gonna be another whole different nightmare. I'm trying to stick this brush in there. Let's see. Don't mind me, man. I'm dumb. Just doing this video for the hell of it. Haven't posted in a while. A lot of shit's gone on in my life. Like I said, I've been riding for like 10 years, so had my first real bad accident, so crashed on my Harley, had foot surgery, wasn't walking or working for like 5-6 months, so yeah, I barely started walking again. Am I gonna ride again? Hell yeah, but you know, in due time. But for now, I'm trying to work on my meaning and get all my stuff running back again. I'm not gonna lie, I miss this car. And there's a lot of updates I've done to it, and a lot of more parts that I'm gonna install, and I'm gonna probably make videos out of. But for now, this is the most annoying shit here ever. It's a very dumb problem to have. Alright, I'm gonna skip all this, stop the video here, try to do whatever I can myself here, clean it, and I'll get back when I start fixing the pins, so to speak. Okay, so I found out a way to pull these things that are broken inside. So with the new one, I already took one out, but I threw it away, so I'm just showing it on film. Grab this from this end. Let's push it like in, and it should break out the other piece out. So see, came out, and there's a broken pin. I don't know if you can see it or not, but zoom on this camera sucks. That's iPhone for you. But yeah, there's let's see. Grab it. No, sorry guys, but the piece is here. Oh, let me see if I can show it this way. There you go. Kind of see it now, but all right there. So use the new pin to take it all out. So that means even if I can't fix these, which don't really need fixing, or the ones that I bought didn't work out, I guess, I can still push the pins out, because that was my big concern. I was not gonna be able to take the pin out here, but it seems like it worked out. So being that it worked out, I don't have to replace these pins. However, The ones I do gotta replace are these right here, which sucks because I can't tell which one is the one that broke. At least not from here. Okay, I can tell which one it is actually. It's gonna be. And the worst part is that this thing's in a more effed up position. Sorry guys, but I might have to stop recording. Maybe. Based on the fact that I can't freaking work around this damn light. So one broken pin here, and then there's another one down there. So it should be, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9. Number 9. 2, 3, 4, 5, 9. It should be this one. Which I think is a green one. This is the worst part here too. Well, technically it should be the same color that's on the other one, so it should be this red one here. Yeah, this is gonna suck to fucking fix. Ow! So it's this one right here, which is gonna be a pain in the ass to pull out. 6, 7, 8, 9. Great, now I'm fucking bleeding. Alright, so I'm back. So, yeah, that is pin 9. Well, it's the same one. Probably gonna use a plier to pull on this while I freaking. This is such a pain in the ass. I'm not gonna lie. And then you wear gloves after the fact that you already cut yourself, huh? It's pretty retarded, if you ask me. Dude, this is harder than it is because of space. This sucks. I don't like this. 6, 7, 8, 9. 6, 7, 8, 9. So this is dude, just pulling this out. I can imagine how much more pain in the ass it is gonna be to solder all this crap out. Six, 7, 8, 9. All right. Once I get this out, I'll come back. So I'm still here trying to take this out. This came off. Yay me. But the pin fucking broke inside. And now, I don't know how the fuck to take it out. Because it won't come out. And I got a fucking pin stuck in this shit right here. That won't come out. I'm trying everything to fucking pull it out. And it just won't come out. It's nudged in there for whatever fucking reason. Unbeknownst to me. So either now I'm gonna need a wire that fits through this, which is probably virtually impossible, or find some kind of like mechanical wire that I can stick through here somehow and push it out. But yeah, that blows. I'm pissed off right now, actually. Fuck. Alright, let's see what I figure out. Alright, I'm back. So, hoping one of these little trusty electrical things that I bought comes in clutch. Will it? I don't know. It's too thick. That's what she said. I need a real thin fucking pin. And that's gonna be hard to find. Maybe this one. Sorry guys, it's a shitty video, I know. I'm doing this shit in the middle of the night. Should have been doing this shit tomorrow in daylight, but I don't know, I was feeling froggy right now, so. Damn, my shit still won't come out. Huh. Well, that's interesting. So this thing goes through, but it still won't push the pin out. I wonder what the hell's going on with this pin. I'm trying to push that shit out so I don't have to deal with any other, and not break any other pins in the process. But damn, this pin won't come out. What the fuck? It's weird how this thing is all stuck in there. I'm really curious as to why it's stuck in there. Okay, that's its resting spot. Let's try this again. I believe it's this one. Alright, let me get back. Alright, this is the end for me right now. I'm at my last wits working at this shit in the dark, so come back tomorrow when it's daylight. Not have to be using a goddamn flashlight, but yeah, that pin broke inside. I don't know why. I'm guessing there might be something wrong with it. And just to kill my curiosity, I'm gonna go ahead and pull the other one that's messed up, which is this one, which I believe is this one. And this one just came out like whatever. So, yeah. That's how you know that there's definitely something wrong with that fucking pen that broke inside. And I don't know how the hell to push it out, so I don't know, we'll see. We'll come back to that during the day. Alright, man. Next part of this video is gonna be during the day. Moment of truth. See if all my fucking hard work paid off. It wasn't that hard, but it's just a fucking annoying ass fucking job. Yeah. She's back, baby. First. Fuck yeah. Damn, I need gas. Pay no attention to my gas because I have no gas, but yeah. Everything seems like it's fine, so I'm gonna take this bitch for a wash, fill it up, start adding all the other shit I bought for this car that's just been sitting, so we'll see. Hopefully I can make it to the next mini meet.